Hello students, today we are going to discuss about quantifiers. What are quantifiers children? Quantifiers are words that are used to state quantity or amount of something without stating the actual number. Quantifiers answer the question how many and how much. Quantifiers can be used with plural, countable, and uncountable nouns or with both. They are different from numbers. You know why? Because they indicate an approximate amount rather than an exact amount. Some of the commonly used quantifiers in English are some, any, much, many, a lot, a few. The words many, few are used with countable nouns. Much, a little are used with uncountable nouns. Some is used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Any is used with both countable and uncountable nouns, but only in question and negative sentences. Uses of quantifiers. Now we are going to discuss about the uses of different quantifiers in English grammar. Many and a few. Many means a large number of. A few means a small number of. Many and a few are used only with plural countable nouns. Countable nouns means children, countable nouns are those that refer to the things we count, such as boys, flowers, toys, etc. Many is mostly used in questions and negative sentences. For example, how many eggs are there? In this example, eggs are plural countable nouns and many is a quantifier. Second example is a type of negative sentence. The example is I don't have many friends. Third example is for a few. There are a few books on this table. In this example, books are plural countable nouns. Much and a little. Much means a large amount of, and a little means a small amount of. Much and a little are used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those that refer to the things we cannot count in numbers, such as oil, rice, water, sugar, etc. Much is mostly used in questions and negative sentences. For example, do you drink much tea? Give him a little rice. A lot of. We use a lot of in positive sentences with countable and uncountable nouns. For example, a lot of books, a lot of money, a lot of oranges, a lot of food, a lot of apples, a lot of milk. Remember, children, we can use much, many, a few, and a little without a noun. For example, how many eggs are there? Only a little. So here somebody has asked the question how many eggs are there? In this sentence, eggs are noun, and in the answer which is given by somebody else, the answer is only a little. So here the person has not used noun. He has just replied only a little. We can use a lot, not a lot of. Again I am telling you children, we can use a lot, not a lot of without a noun. Means a lot can also be used without a noun. For example, he ate a lot. Some and any. We use some and any when we are talking about an unknown quantity. They go with both plural nouns and uncountable nouns. We use some in questions when we expect the answer yes or when we offer or ask for things. For example, we ate some bread and butter. Would you like some tea? In this example, tea is offered to someone. The third example is, can you lend me some money? In this, somebody is requesting for money. Some is used in positive sentences with both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, some birds, some milk, some rice, some people. Nouns can be dropped after some and any if the meaning is clear. For example, I have got too many tomatoes. Would you like some? Any. Any is used in negative sentences and in questions. Any is used with both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, I haven't got any money. Is there any bread left? A quick recap for uses of some and any. Children, just see this slide. Some is used in affirmative sentences. For example, there are some vegetables in the fridge. I have some money in my wallet. We use some when we offer or request for things. For example, would you like some tea? Could I have some water? Any is used in negative sentences and in questions. For example, she doesn't have any furniture in her living room. There aren't any oranges for the orange juice. Does she have any sister? Does she have any sisters? Homework time, children. You have to learn the lesson from your book and you have to write the example for these quantifiers: many, much, a few, a little, some, any. Make good sentences and write those examples in your rough copy. Thank you, children.